So today I'm about to show you how to export a voice transcript in Flowith step by step. If you've recorded or generated a transcript and you want to save it as a usable format, this will help you do it quickly. So let's get started. First, open Flowith and select the project that contains your voice transcript. Once inside, locate the node that has the transcribed voice. Click on that node to open the transcript. Now, look for the export button, click it. You'll see export options like Markdown, HTML, and PDF. So, choose your preferred format and your transcript will be exported to your device. Tip for better exports, use PDF for sharing, Markdown for editing, and use HTML for web formatting. And that's it. That's how to export a voice transcript in Flowith. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.